Our first question is, why should we cite your resources? There are copyright rules to protect our authors, and if you don't follow those rules, you are basically stealing somebody else. You're stealing their ideas, their works, their creation that they made. Ways to make sure you don't get in trouble for plagiarism. So the first one would be, make sure when you rewrite the information in your own words. You don't just change a few words, but you make sure that your sentence, you have remade it, you have reformed it. Just taken the information they have given you and put it in your own words. Okay, number two, if you use word for word from the document, use quotation marks and cite where you got that information. And number three, make sure you cite your sources. If you are in doubt and not sure what to do, it is better to cite it than to not. Okay, this is how to create a MLA book citation. So you'll turn to your title page, look and find the last name of the author, and then put it plus a comma plus the first name and a period, the title of the book and a period, the city of publication, a comma, the publisher, a comma, and then the publication date. So now once you get your book out, and let's practice some together with your book, turn it to the title page, and we're going to let you do that, and we will then review it again. You did a great job, boys and girls, on how to do a book citation. Now we're going to learn how to do a website citation. We use the website so much to search for information, but you need to know how to cite the information you find correctly. Again, we don't want to steal something from somebody else. So this is the format of doing it the MLA citation way. The last name and first name of the author, the title of the web page, the title of the website, the publisher, date published, and the URL. Next, we're going to practice using the Alabama Virtual Library and their site that has so much great information we can use, and I'll show you how we cite it and some easy ways to cite it. You'll log on to the Alabama Virtual Library. Okay. As I'm going through this process, if you have any questions or need me to stop so you can get to it, just raise your hand and either me or your classroom teacher will come around and help you find the page you're on. Okay, so it looks like everybody is on the Alabama Virtual Library. Okay, next click the middle school section. After you do that, do a thumbs up if you've got it. Great, let's move on. Okay, now click on the Gale in Context. Next, click on Social Studies, and then Geography, and then choose the country you're writing about. And if you pull all the way to the bottom of that, you'll see it already has a citation site made into this, and it will show you the citation, but you might have to change it. So we're going to change that over to the MLA citation. You notice you just push on that, and it changes you to the MLA. And now you have it cited, and that was so easy to do. Okay, so this last part, I'm going to show you how to fill in the blanks and use the citation machine. My favorite one is the Purdue OWL one, and there's many different ones out there. This is just one that I like to use, and the link is here on my page, but you can also just type it into yours, and we'll walk through how to do that. But basically, it asks us for the book, if you were doing your book, so change it to book and put your book information, the title in. Many times when you push on the search, it will bring your book out, but you still need to review it and make sure. Maybe there's a book by the same title or something similar, so just check over it and make sure that's correct. Sometimes it's missing information. You have to add that. You might have to add the publisher date. You do need to check that information because it could be that the one on this site has a older edition, you might have the brand new edition, and you want to update that. You can use it for websites, journal pages, and like I said, it walks you through the process, and it is such an easy site to use. Okay, and then this is my references. This is a list of different places I went to get information to do this PowerPoint. Y'all have a great afternoon, and if you have any further questions, please remember I'm always here available to help you answer them and help check over, and your teacher is as well. Have a great day. Thank you.